Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make a bubble shooter game in Scratch. Let's get started. First start by adding all the sprites. First let me add ball or bubbles, whatever. Now duplicate this and name it as shooting bubbles. Now let's start by coding for bubbles first. Okay, go to events category. When green flag clicked, make a variable called score. Oh, score. Now when green flag clicked, set score to 0. As when green flag clicked, it sets the score automatically to 0. Now go to X. Give it something like X negative 12 20 220. Okay, it is okay. Y, keep it something like 18. Okay, no, it should be like a little, so okay, 70. Okay, now go to control category, repeat, duplicate this and add here, keep this one to 5, keep this one as 19. Okay, now go to looks category. As we have like 6 costumes, switch costume to pick random 1 to 6. Now see, it's picking some random. Okay, now okay, create clone of myself. Okay, change X by, keep it something like 20. No, we need to keep it something like okay. Now let's try. Okay, much better. Oh, sorry. Okay, now after this, keep the score somewhere over here, which looks actually good. Now go to motion category, we are already in. Set X to negative 220. Whatever is here, whatever you keep, go to X here, keep it the same over here. Now change Y by, keep it 25. Okay, no, let us try something like 26. Okay, now go to control category. When I start as clone, forever, if then. Okay, let's clean up. Touching shooting bubbles and costume name equals to costume. Okay, let me keep it like, shooting bubbles. Costume of shooting bubbles. Keep it costume name of shooting bubbles. Now keep it if then touching and shooting bubbles and costume name equals to costume name of shooting bubbles. Weight, keep it 0.05. Okay. Seconds, change score by 1. Okay, now after this delete this clone. Let us try. I did some mistake. Okay, got it. Instead of X I kept here Y to change Y by X by 25. Okay, let's try now. Perfect. Now after this, let's code for shooting bubbles. Okay, before that let's clean up. Okay, shooting bubbles. Okay, this should also show shooting bubbles. Okay, let's get started. When green flag clicked forever, go to X 0. Now keep Y like something negative 147. Okay, let us try where it goes. And it should always show. Okay, you can keep Y something negative 148. Let's try now. No, negative 50. Okay, this looks so better. Now switch costume to. Keep this also as like how we did in bubbles. Switch costume to. Pick random 1 to 6. Okay, now let's wait until mouse down. Point towards mouse pointer. Now repeat until touching bubbles. Okay, let's try. Oh, it doesn't go. So I have to keep some more code for this. Okay, move 10 steps. Oh, it worked. See, as you can see, move 10 steps. If it is touching here, nothing's happening. It should bounce and go back. So for that, let's keep if on edge bounce. Let's try. Oh, it works. Let's try from edge. You can see as it bounces, and if it is touching some other color, it doesn't work or it doesn't shoot. So this is how we can make a bubble shooter game in Scratch. Can keep, as you can see, the score is also changing by, like, see, it's touching 1, 2, it's touching 2, 3, because it's just okay, you can also try it. I also have it on my account. You can visit from here. Let's label it bubble shoot shooter. Okay, so in next video I will show you how to make smooth animations like this. I will show you animations like this in my next video.
So strong enough.
So this is how this I named as endless cape. So I will show you in next video. For this, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like. For today, this is what I have to show you. So bye guys, see you in next video.